Dense and Dreamy Keto Coconut Flour Bread Recipe, gluten-free, nut-free. Ditch the store-bought, carb-loaded loaves and whip up this heavenly keto coconut flour bread. Your taste buds will thank you. This low-carb marvel is fluffy, flavorful, and perfect for sandwiches, toasts, or simply snacking. Plus, it's gluten-free and nut-free, making it a haven for all dietary restrictions. Ingredients: 8 generous slices. Half cup, 60 grams, finely ground coconut flour. 1/4 cup, 30 grams, almond flour, optional, for added structure. 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, psyllium husk powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon xanthan gum, optional, helps with texture. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 3 large eggs. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, melted butter or coconut oil. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, unsweetened almond milk or heavy cream. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, sweetener, Swerve, erythritol, etc. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Pinch of cinnamon, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a small loaf pan, 8 by 4 inches, with parchment paper, letting the sides overhang for easy lifting. 2. Whisk dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together coconut flour, almond flour, if using, psyllium husk powder, baking powder, xanthan gum, if using, and salt. Set aside. 3. Beat wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together eggs, melted butter or coconut oil, almond milk or heavy cream, sweetener, vanilla extract, if using, and cinnamon, if using. 4. Combine wet and dry. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently fold until just combined. The batter will be thick and sticky. 5. Fill the pan. Transfer the batter to the prepared loaf pan, smoothing the top with a spatula. 6. Bake to perfection. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cool and slice. Let the bread cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips and tricks. Coconut flour absorbs moisture quickly, so be careful not to overmix the batter. Feel free to adjust the sweetener to your taste. Start with 1 tablespoon and add more if desired. For a richer flavor, toast the coconut flour lightly before adding it to the batter. Get creative with add-ins. Stir in chopped nuts, seeds, or berries for extra flavor and texture. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze for longer. This keto coconut flour bread is a game changer for anyone following a low-carb or gluten-free lifestyle. So, ditch the guilt and indulge in a slice, or 2, of this heavenly bread. Bonus: share your own variations and toppings in the comments below. Let's get creative with this keto delight. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more keto-friendly, gluten-free baking adventures.